Have you ever gone on vacation and come back heavier? Well, I just came back from a 3-day trip and I was up 6 pounds. So did I freak out? Do I feel like I screwed up my diet? Do I feel like a failure? Well, I used to in the past, but not anymore. So in this video, I'm going to go over why this big weight jump happened, why I'm not worrying about it, and also what I plan to do about it now that I'm back. So why does the weight jump so much? Well, for me, it's for a number of reasons. First, I'm eating out a lot more than when I'm home, and restaurant meals have a lot more sodium and ingredients that we just don't know about. Also, when I'm away on vacation, I'm not selecting the healthiest choices all the time, and I'm throwing in the occasional appetizer and dessert every once in a while. And while I'm away, I'm not working out as much. And plus, before I left, I was actually in a calorie deficit and losing weight. Now, I do eat carbohydrates as part of my diet, but when I'm on vacation, I'm eating a lot more carbohydrates in my meals. And every gram of carbohydrate has 3 to 4 grams of water. So because of these additional carbohydrates, retaining additional water, plus the sodium that's in the restaurant meals, all working together, this can create a big jump in weight. So, is this something that I'm concerned about? Well, the answer is no, and for a couple of reasons. First, as I mentioned, I know that a lot of this weight is water weight, and it's because of the additional sodium and the carbohydrates that I'm taking in while I'm away, which is a temporary situation and will go away once I get back home and get back on track. Remember, weight gain is not always fat gain. And keep in mind that to gain a pound of fat, you need to eat 3,500 calories above your maintenance. So to gain a few pounds of fat in 2 or 3 days is really hard to do. So even if I did gain some fat over those few days, it's going to be minimal. So don't let the scale mess with your head. Also, I did a video that talks about how the scale can lie to you. I will put a link to that video in the description below so you could check that out if you want more information. Second, remember that weight loss happens over time. And I now know that a few days of excessive eating on occasion is not going to derail my progress in the long term. So, what's the plan to get back on track? Well, first, be okay with the fact that you're a little heavier. It's okay. In the long run, it's not that big of a deal as long as you address it. And that's the most important thing. You need to address it. It's what you do when you get back that's the most important. Make sure once you're back, you don't keep eating the way you did when you were on vacation. That's how I gained my weight in the past. It wasn't that I ate more on vacation. It was what happened after I got back. For example, a few years ago, I went away on vacation and I gained a few pounds. Now, when I came back, I kept eating a little bit here and there. I didn't handle the fact that I gained the weight. Then a few weeks later, I went away again and ended up gaining a little bit more weight. Over time, that rolled into some family events, and next thing I knew, after 3 months, I gained 20 pounds. I was so angry with myself that I let that happen, that I allowed myself to destroy all this progress I made losing that weight, and over a period of 3 months, just letting it all come back because I didn't address the issues after I came back. So what do you do? Well, first get back to your normal eating and your regular workout schedule. Just do what you normally would do. For me, that includes slightly lowering my calories, just a reasonable amount to get me back into a deficit. Second, don't do anything extreme. Don't feel like you have to starve yourself for a few days to make up for the calories that you ate while you were away, or that you need to do extra workouts or extra long workouts to try to burn more calories. Doing extreme things like that just feels like punishment, and it makes you feel like what you did on vacation was bad. And third, don't beat yourself up, feel guilty, or feel like you're a failure. You went on vacation and you enjoyed yourself. It's okay. By doing these things, I know from experience that over the next few days, my body will get rid of the excess water and that my weight will normalize. And then any increase that is left will be minimal. And that's something I could easily address by just getting back on track with my exercise regimen and watching what I'm eating. The key is to not look at this as a big deal. There's a lot of power in knowing that you can go away for a few days, possibly gain some weight, and be okay with it, because you know that you can get back on track after and it won't affect you long term. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like what I had to say, click the like button, subscribe, remember to stay active, and I'll see you in the next video.